Geometric sequences, or sorry, geometric series. Given the following example, determine the sum of the first 15 terms of the series. -3 plus 6 minus 12 plus ... So again, we're going to collect all the information that we know. Our first term is -3. Our common ratio is a -2. It's asking us to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So n would be 15 here. And what we're looking for is sum of 15. This is our unknown. So what you want to do is you want to look at your two possible formulas and determine which one can you use in order to find the sum. Well, in this formula, you would need to know your first term, which we do. You would need to know your common ratio, which we do. And you'd need to know the number of terms, which we do. So looking at from this information, I would use my first formula. So I'm going to take the sum of 15 is equal to my first term, which is -3. I'm going to multiply that by a common ratio, which is -2. And then I need to put this -2 in brackets because, especially when you type it into your calculator, because a negative to some power could end up to be a negative value or a positive value if this exponent was even, and your calculator will not decipher that unless you put it in brackets. And then I'm going to divide this all by a -2 minus 1. Okay? So if you want to type this all into your calculator in one big step, you'd have to put an extra set of brackets here and then a set of brackets down below. So I'll just show you how to type it into your calculator. So I would go bracket -3, bracket, another bracket, -2 to the power of 15, minus 1. And then just make sure for all of the open brackets, there are the same number of closed brackets. And then I'm going to divide this by bracket, -2 minus 1. Close that bracket. And then hit enter. And there's my sum, -32,769.